Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting straight to the device settings. Make sure your Nest Hub is awake and on the same Wi-Fi as your phone. This is essential for changes to apply. Open the Google Home app, find and tap your Nest Hub thumbnail, then tap the small gear icon for settings. Once done, you'll see display options. Make sure you have the Google account linked that stores your photo choices, because the app will pull from synced albums and other display sources. Now you choose the ambient display type and sources. Tap ambient mode or photo frame under display settings, and you'll see options like Google Photos, Art Gallery, or Google Earth. Select Google Photos to use personal albums, then pick an album or create one in your Photos app for specific images. Make sure to adjust slideshow timing and filters. These settings control how long each image shows and whether faces or image corrections are applied, so your background looks intentional and polished. Finish by saving and verifying. Tap Save or Set in the app to push the new wallpaper to your hub, then look at the device to confirm the change. If the image doesn't appear, reboot the hub and reopen the Google Home app to force a sync. This often clears transient issues. If problems persist, make sure the Google Photos album is shared with the correct account, the app has permission to access photos, and both devices are on the same network. These are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.